Hey everyone. Today we're witnessing massive chainsaw machines operating at extreme danger levels.
Not something you ought to try yourself, and no kidding. You're already ran off the wall. No way. Or out of that business. Here it is. Yeah. Here it comes. Oh. These guys are doing something I'd call inefficient. Tying a tractor to a tree stump to pull it out. The whole scene looks like a rubber band, stretching and snapping back. Maybe it's just a bit of fun and entertainment after all. At first glance, it might look like any other log saw, until you spot that fully enclosed blade. The Hardit hides 13 horsepower in a massive 27.5-inch blade, inside a safety-first design that doesn't skimp on muscle. It's a rare balance of brute force and brains. Eight and a half minutes courting. At a job site in Australia, the Bandit 21XP chipper is demonstrating its raw power as it tackles some of the densest and hardest timber imaginable. The kind of wood that challenges even the most robust industrial equipment. A large grapple loader carefully lifts a massive log with thick, tangled branches and slowly feeds it into the intake chute of the running chipper. The moment the wood touches the feed rollers, the razor-sharp steel blades inside the Bandit 21XP roar to life, beginning their relentless work, slicing, smashing, and grinding the bulky timber into meat, uniform with chips. The sound is intense, metal against hardwood, loud and powerful. Each rotation of the blade is a decisive, unstoppable strike. The chipper doesn't flinch. Within minutes, the entire log, including its heavy limbs, is reduced to chips. The discharge chute sprays out the finished product, a golden stream of fine mulch tumbling under the sun, proof of the Bandit's immense capability and crushing efficiency on even the toughest wood. When the excavator decides it's a dancer, it usually ends with a surprising floor performance. Accident included. Technology meets comedy, but safety remains the main star. Mounted on a powerful Volvo truck chassis, the Chipmax 484VR appears like a mobile wood processing station, ready to take on any challenge. With a compact design, yet outstanding capacity, this machine can be transported to any logging site, from the forest edge to central wood yards. A dedicated loader gently lifts each log and places it into the feed chute. The moment contact is made, ChipMax's hydraulic feed system kicks in, pulling the timber deep inside. Reinforced steel blades spin at high speed, shredding the wood into uniform chips with remarkable precision. Whether it's branches, logging residue, or full logs, everything is processed cleanly and efficiently. The resulting wood chips are directly discharged into a storage truck or designated pile, optimizing transport efficiency and minimizing labor needs. The ChipMax 484 VR is more than just a chipper. It's a flexible mobile solution, bringing wood processing technology directly to the source, saving both time and operating costs for the modern forestry industry.